Javi Road Paradise Veggie. It's a vegetarian restaurant. It's all you can eat. It's a buffet. And I will show you the food. Different kinds of vegetarian food. And I hope I will enjoy this video. Very yummy.
Are you a vegetarian? I think this place is for you. It's called Paradise Veggie, located at 535 Jaffe Road, Shop B04, Tower 535 in Causeway Bay, Hong Kong. This restaurant is a self-serve, all-you-can-eat vegetarian buffet restaurant featuring veggie sushi, dim sum, soups, salads, and stir fries. Items containing egg, dairy, or onion are marked. So, for the people out there, to all the viewers, if you want to visit this place, they offer lunch and dinner as well as afternoon tea service.
Some of my friends been telling me one of the strange food that they eat in Hong Kong is this one, the black egg. My friend doesn't like this one. He told me it's disgusting to eat this one. But I guess it's okay. This is essentially egg. And if you like, try it. Or you don't like it. Try it. Well, it was good.
One of the misconceptions regarding century eggs are sometimes avoided due to the belief that they are prepared by soaking eggs in horse urine, but there is no good evidence to support this, and furthermore, urine is generally not alkaline.
With broccoli.
This restaurant also serves broccoli as well as this
It's a nice
abalone.
place.
And actually, did you know that this abalone is made up of tofu? So everything here is made of vegetable. So what are you waiting for? You can visit this restaurant during your free time here at Jaffe Road.
Ayan, may pasok si Resto. Ayan, tingnan natin ang soup. This is traditional Chinese soup, I think. Very Chinese. Ang lasa. Meron siyang nuts. Meron siyang cashew. Let me check. What's this? Ay, it's not cashew. Tofu. Then there's a corn. Yeah. But I would eat just one. This strange looking thing. How to get it? I don't know how to get. It's too slippery. Look at nyo naman, oh, parang nandugay siya ako na anatomy dito. Strange looking creature. Pero this one is made of a vegetable, right? This is not the actual abalone, right? But the texture of the pie is the same. You know? No, parang pareho lang siya. Hindi mo malalasahan talaga na hindi naman siya totoo. Pero vegetable siya, pero hindi ko alam anong vegetable. Well, good. So this is my second plate. So napaghahalata na hindi pa ako kumakain. Pero all veggies naman siya. Veggie. Dito sa Paradise Veggie. So yun naman ang nakikita nyo. Alam niyo po ba ito? Para siyang duck meat na barbecue siya. Pero hindi siya. Vegetable siya. Then I have the fish balls. Lamb daw to pero hindi naman actually lamb. And then itong parang nakikita nyo. Para siyang chicken nuggets. Chicken fillet. All vegetable po sila. So, dito lang yan sa Paradise Veggie. Okay, so this time, we're having the dessert and finally, they asked me to try this soup. And let's try this soup. Ay, why the smell is... The smell is not good. What is this? The smell is not good. Wait, is this the snake soup? We won't have it. The taste is different. So that's a snake.
Once again, this is Dr.
No,
Mike. Thank
it's a
you
snake.
for joining me in this episode. Thank you for watching.
Gusto ko mapakainin
And
ako.
for the viewers out there, if you want to try this vegetarian restaurant, it's in Jaffe Road, 535 Jaffe Road, Paradise Veggie. Thank you for watching. To all the followers, viewers, if you're not yet a follower or subscriber, please do follow, like, and subscribe. This is Dr. Mike. Thank you and see you again in our next episode. Have a great day, everyone.